Word from the Lord. We've been dealing with the marriage mindset for a few sessions, and tonight we again want to deal with the marriage mindset. I like talking about this because I think marriage is a very important thing, and for two to become one is a very important thing in marriage, and it makes for a successful marriage. The marriage mindset tonight, I want to talk about three things here. I want to talk about the focus, the finding, and the future. The focus, the finding, and the futures. The focus, one of the things that I love to talk about is the focus. The focus simply means that I make an adjustment where I can see clearly and I have a center point. Something that I'm looking at. I got a center point. Now, a marriage mindset is if you don't have a focus, let me tell you something. You're missing. Now, I'm not talking about a focus for somebody else, but a focus on you. The focus has got to be on yourself. In other words, what are you focusing about? I'm focusing that I may know what I'm looking for, know what I'm going after. See, so many times people have a marital mindset, well, I'm going to go out and find somebody that, no. You've got to know first what you want. If you don't know what you want, how then are you being successful in your focusing? So your focal point first has to be on you. So it's like you're going to a restaurant and you really want a steak, but you go to a fish restaurant. Why are you going to go to a restaurant with fish and what's on your heart, what's on your mind is a steak? In other words, all I'm saying is your focal point in marriage has to be on you first, that you understand what I want, I understand what I'm looking for. I've got a keen focus on that. That's the focus you ought to have when you have a marital mindset. And then after the focus, there is a finding. What's a finding? Finding simply means that you have an honest approach of the person that you're looking for. An honest approach. What happens is in the finding, and sometimes the findings are not always good. And what we do, we're looking from outside in rather than looking from inside out. In other words, you're just looking at how they look, or how she looks, or how he looks, but you need to be looking at the character and what the person really is. If you don't have a finding in your going out, I guarantee you, you're going to make a mistake. One of the things is you know, a beautiful car, when you look at it on the outside, it's nice. You get on the inside, it's nice. But if it doesn't have a motor, you're not going anywhere. If you are not honest with your findings, I guarantee you, you'll be in the car, but you ain't going anywhere. After the focus, after the finding, there is the future. The problem is the future is dependent on the focus and the finding. Because if the focus and the finding is no good, let me tell you something, you're not going to have a good future. In other words, if I got a bad focus and I have a bad finding, you're going to have a bad future. That's just all to it. In other words, you can't use one to manipulate the other. The basis, they have to be one on the other in order to have a successful future. What do you mean? Well, I'm saying, you know, Sprite is good till it runs out. Sex is wonderful until it stops. Sugar is sweet until it's all gone. Coffee is great until it's cold. All I'm saying, if you have a future that's predicated on something that's broken, it's going to be unsuccessful. You've got to have a good, sharp focus of what you want. You got to be honest in your findings, and then your future will be great. That's how two becomes one. Y'all be blessed.